Excuse me.
Two ends. There's like a bigger end and a smaller end. Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
You fucker.
This is how you train your cat to not eat your food.